Joe's resting. So, the instructions tell you to give it one full turn of
looseness.
Well, the instructions tell you some stupid stuff to do too, so where were those instructions at? Pushrod installation. Remove spark plugs. Did we do that, Joe?
Use spark plugs?
Remove spark plugs.
Remove, we did remove it.
Where's the adjustment part? What'd you do? You hid the instructions from me. There we go. Right here.
Remove spark plugs, right?
Put 4 complete turns until piston assembly is contact with spacer and the valve is lifted off its seat. So that means the valve is open. If top contains oil, as when push rods are readjusted after engine has been run, or if oil has not removed during installation, allow at least 20 or 30 minutes for piston assembly to bleed down. How is it going to bleed down if it's off the seat? It will never bleed down. If push rod can be turned between the fingers, top of piston is not in contact with each spacer, lengthen push rod 1 additional turn. Wait 20 more minutes. Yeah. Where's the part where it said to start the engine with the valves off the seat? Yeah, it was somewhere in there. Alright, anyway. Continue listening, shortening, push rod, 1 full turn, 6 flats. That's what matters. So that's what we're going to do. We went 3 flats. We're going to go 6 flats. 1 full turn.
Yes.
Put your hands on the pipe. Is it burning you?
I should not know.
Okay, then my fingers are safe.
Rocker box is still not bad.
I don't care about the rocker box. I care about my fingers. What about the air cleaner cover?
I should not. I'm going to take that off.
It's in the way. So we're going to do everything we did before, except we're going to go 3 more flats. We're going to loosen, 3 flats, retort. Is that what we're going to do, Joe?
Yep.
They get all that light back there, I can see. Let's use the correct tool.
Those are getting already stripped
That guy
out.
dropping off your new lifters?
Huh?
Is he dropping off those new lifters for you?
Ooh.
I don't know. This truck just drove up out there.
Restaurant truck?
Come over and give us some new lifters? We just put new lifters in it.
Yes.
So we got half inch, we got everything we need. Except light. Oh, there's a light there too. We don't need light. We can work in the dark.
I should have brought my real light over for
I got lights around here somewhere. Oh, Joe, I'm burning myself.
not like last time.
Okay, now if you put that up higher, like that, which I couldn't do with a pipe burning myself. I don't know why I couldn't do it though.
It was hot.
Okay.
Was it got the right wrench on there?
The good wrench goes on the top. The bad wrench goes on the bottom.
Was it going or stripping?
Is there a difference? Let's see, where's the flat spot? There it is, way over there. Okay, Joe.
Backing it off one?
We're going to go 1, 2, 3. What's that?
3 flats. Half a turn. 3 flats,
That's
right?
6 flats.
Are you going 2 each time? 3 flats is not 6 flats.
We already had 3.
Oh, okay.
Now we got 6 though. This is higher math. 3 plus 3 equals how much?
1.
1. Perfect, you got it. You are now overqualified to be a Harley mechanic. That one's done. Okay, you know what the new problem's going to be?
What?
I need a holding tool on that. Remember how I did it with the push rod was out of the way? This time the push rod
yeah,
is
it's
in the way.
It wasn't there last
So
time.
not only am I fighting all my other issues,
Fighting the other push rod
now I
too.
got a push rod in the way.
This is not his first time, folks, so he knows how to get around this stuff.
Yeah. Grunt and groan and hope you get it. Of course I'm working in the highly light area here so I can really see good.
That's the messed up one there, right?
Yes. There, I found the something.
On the right flat.
That's it, because there's a flat on the other one. There you go.
Got it.
Appears to be tight. Okay, where's this flat at? Right there, I found that one quicker. Okay, how far are we going this time?
3.
3 turns?
Yeah.
Up.
There's only one flat you can use on the ball, right?
1, 2, 3. Tight. Like I did that, Joe?
Do it. Push in and squeeze. Same
Hard.
time.
Hard. Okay.
We can always tell that when we try to.
Grab that phone. It's something important I can tell. Now we want this to go inside the O-ring this time and work correctly.
Something right, like Kita? I don't know how to answer it.
That one went pretty good. 2. Hello.
Oh, we are not available now. Please leave your name and phone number
Hello.
after the beep.
You there? Hello. You pushed some kind of a button because it went on speaker and it screwed up everything. Okay, that O-ring was good.
Okay.
That one popped up there. That one popped down. That one went down. You're popping. I have no idea what I can do with oil because it's up in there nice and clean, right? But not a problem. That did go in easier though this time. Before I remember the forcing more.
Yeah.
So even though it popped up in there like it was popped up in there, maybe it wasn't in there all the way, but it seemed like it was in there.
Yeah. It was leaking pretty good.
Popped each one. And I did rotate it, which usually if it's not correct, will pop them anyway.
Maybe the head got a hole in it. I don't know.
I don't know. Seems good. Okay. Well, this is when I was making all the noise, so we should be good to go at this point.
You think the back ones were too?
I don't know. Well, just a minute.
You want to just try it?
Put that on hold. Probably forward. All right, we're done for now on the left rear deal. They're making more noise because they got more clearance. Yeah, 0 pump up. So I'm gonna call up S&S tomorrow and see what they got to say. Probably nothing. But check the tappet screen. Screen's clean. These are the crane lifters here. There's nothing wrong with these either. They're nice and solid. The S&S, they're not. They just go up and down. The plunger ain't even working. They have no oil in them or something. I don't know. So anyway, we'll get back on this one later.